Alright, this is my first video, and we're going to be putting on a new muffler on a Cougar. She is going to put a new muffler on her. Hopefully she's a little louder, a little more meaner. And we're going to give her a quick test ride right through here. Alright, here she is, the Cougar. We got a muffler here off of Amazon for 30 bucks. We're gonna mount it right here. Hopefully she's louder and a bit more prouder. Right, so we're taking the muffler box off. Took a while. There it is.
We're gonna cut this off, weld it on the new pipe, cut this off and weld it on the new pipe too.
Oh yeah. Alright. Here's where the exhaust will go.
An angle a little bit. We're just gonna weld this on. We cut it at like a 25-degree angle. It'll fit down in there.
So instead of having that muffler box, we're gonna put the new muffler on there with the welding part right there. And while he's welding, I get all the great footage. Right there. Here she comes.
This is how we want it to sit. That won't mark. Like that, something like that.
DJ is perfect fit. DIY for 30 bucks. You could buy one for 200 and it'd fit perfect, but probably just buy $30 one. And there's the old one. Took that off, put it there, and took the bottom off too. Oh, we're just painting it and getting ready for a test run. Yeah? Oh! Oh yeah!
It's sitting too high. Son of a gun.
Dang it.
I'll have to cut that down and put the pipe down. Dang it. I was like, what the heck's that? No. 73 there. It don't seem much louder, does it?
It does to me.
Does it? Yeah, son of a gun. We're gonna have to cut that.
Dang it.
Put her down. I didn't even think about that. What time is it?
Alright, so we're back at the workshop, sadly. We're going to ride it a little. So right here, it's a little too high. See right there? It wasn't there before because it burnt the padding right here and almost burnt through the whole entire place right here. So now, we got the Sawzall over there and we're going to take this off and we're going to cut right there just a little bit. So, and then hopefully it won't burn. We got it fixed and the snow melted, so we had to wait for the snow to come back, and it finally did after like 2 weeks. So we're gonna finally get this thing up and running, and hopefully it'll sound louder. Alright, let's go find it, bro. Alright, so after we fixed it, we took it stuck off and it melted this part off. And we cut it down and now it's not burning the thing off. Ain't that good, right?
That's good.
So we'll give her a brat test and yeah.